Yes, in the just concluded France presidential election, which we saw Emmanuel Macron, the former civil servant and investment banker, emerged victorious. Since he won, some people have been going about saying that the wife is older than him, that the woman is 64 and the man is 39, that the woman molested him, that the woman brainwashed him. Hello, somebody molested you into becoming the youngest France president? What a sweet molestation. I too, I want to be molested here in Nigeria. What am I saying? No, I need an older woman to rape me into becoming the youngest president in Nigeria. What are you saying? That I'm talking nonsense? You are asking me, are there no younger girls that will be looking for older woman? You that you are dating a younger girl, you are dating a girl, all the responsibility of the parents is on your head. Any small thing, bring come. My brother, you are not dating a girl, you are dating an orphanage home. Back to you, madam. Hello, let me talk to you. Are you a successful woman? Older woman? You have the interests of Nigerian people at hand? You want to change the course of history in Nigeria? You want to improve the lives of Nigerians? I see it the way you see it. Come and engage me. Come and marry me. Marry me.